Many customers asked for pet wet wipe manufacturing. Their requirement for the production of wet wipes is not to pop up to avoid contamination of wet wipes. Additive-free and alcohol-free, ensuring the wipes are pet-friendly. The liquid should use EDI pure water. Need to use skin-friendly non-woven material and cotton soft texture. These wet wipes can clean the mouth, nose, feet, eyes, etc. of pets. Next, we'll show you how to produce your own brand wet wipe.